Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the user role editor in WordPress. This powerful plugin allows you to precisely control what each user can do on your website, moving beyond the 5 standard WordPress roles. It's crucial for maintaining security and streamlining workflows, especially on sites with multiple contributors. You can easily create custom roles, modify existing ones, and assign over 200 individual capabilities, ensuring every user has exactly the right level of access. To begin, navigate to your WordPress dashboard, hover over Plugins, and select Add New. In the search bar, type User Role Editor and look for the plugin developed by Vladimir Garagulya. Click Install Now, and once the installation is complete, click Activate. After activation, you'll find its settings conveniently located under the User's menu, labeled User Role Editor, ready for you to start customizing permissions. This process typically takes less than 1 minute. Once in the editor, you can select any existing role from the drop-down menu or create an entirely new one by clicking Add Role. Below, you'll see a comprehensive list of over 200 capabilities. Simply check or uncheck the boxes to grant or revoke specific permissions, such as edit posts for content creation or manage options for administrative tasks. Always remember to click the Update button to save your modifications, ensuring your changes are applied across your site. Before making any major changes, always perform a full backup of your WordPress site. This is a critical safety measure. It's also wise to create a test user account and assign your new or modified role to it, allowing you to verify permissions without affecting live users. Embrace the principle of least privilege, giving users only the capabilities they absolutely need. For site migrations, remember you can export and import your custom roles, saving valuable time and effort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.